Hi and welcome to 4 Honeymyrtle Court, Mountain Creek. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with a double garage in a really elevated position. Just heading through the front entry. I've got a really interesting floor plan with this home. Immediately to the left, we have the master bedroom, which is really light filled, huge window, fly screens on all the windows, as well as block out drapes. But as you can see, there's plenty of privacy with those windows open. 2 power points to the right. There's also an additional window with a fully block out blind. This room does have a ceiling fan. Your walk-in robe, so 1 deep shelf, as well as 2 rails, and your ensuite as well. So your basin, shower, toilet. So as we head back towards the entry, if we turn left, we have the lounge room to the left. It's a really good sized lounge room which leads out into an alfresco area. In this room, there are 2 power points. There's one to the left, as well as this one to the right, which also has your TV port. Once again, ceiling fan in this room, but really good breezes once you open up those sliding doors out to the alfresco. The alfresco also has a roof. If we head around into what is essentially the second living room / dining room, this is a huge light filled room. Comes with a ceiling fan as well as a split system unit. As you can see, there's plenty of light flowing through this room. Fly screens, block out drapes on all the windows. Nice views out to the backyard. The backyard's actually a really good size. Clothesline just to the right there. Now if we turn around to the kitchen, stone bench top in the kitchen and plenty of storage. Pantry on either side of the fridge space and added storage on top as well. But as you can see, there's plenty of cupboards, designated microwave space, electric cooktop and oven, as well as your dishwasher as well. And plenty of bench space. If we head to the other side of the home, we've got another corridor here. Towards the back of the home, there's a bedroom that looks out into the backyard. You have a ceiling fan in this room. There's a power point as well as built-in wardrobe. Right next to this room, we have another room. Once again, fly screen on the window, block out drape, built-in wardrobe, and a ceiling fan. There is a power point in this room. Separate toilet. Family bathroom. So plenty of light, bathtub, and a really good size basin with storage area. Towards the front of the home, we have another bedroom to the left. Once again, fly screen, block out, drape, ceiling fan, and a power point to the left. There is also a built-in wardrobe. And we're back towards the front of the home now, which is where we have internal access to the double garage, as well as the laundry. So you can see that you've got a designated laundry space there with a trough. You've also got access out into the backyard through the garage. There is a broom cupboard upon entry to the garage. And on the other side, we have a linen cupboard with 4 shelves. So plenty of storage there. And now we're back at the entry. So if you are interested in this property and you wanted to put in an application, or if you wanted to register to inspect, please go to www.codepg.com.au.